Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For this DIY, you will need a glass, fake flowers, jute rope, scissors, pen, cardboard, glue gun. Now, just mark the edge of the glass, cut it out, see if it fits the glass. Now take any flowers, you just need the leaves to cover the base. So I'm using these and now I'll stick them. This is the way it looks, trimming the edges. Now I'm adding the flowers and leaves. This is the way it looks, guys. If you really like it, then go ahead and stick it to the glass. Now I'll add jute rope to the cardboard to cover the cardboard. That's it, guys. This is the way it looks, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.